Do unions help or hurt the economy? Over the years, unions have done many good things for workers by improving working conditions and making sure they get a fair working wage. The first strike was in 1768 when journeymen tailors organized a strike to protest wage reductions. It was not until 1794 that the first organized union was founded in Philadelphia. It was called the Federal Society of Journeymen Cordwainers, also known as shoemakers. However, nowadays, I'm really not convinced that unions are helping our economy and individuals. I point to the delivery company UPS, which reached a 5-year labor agreement with the International Brotherhood of Teamsters in 2023. It has really put a heavy strain on the company because the average full-time driver now makes $170,000 in annual pay and benefits. When you compare that to the average annual pay in the United States of $66,622, well, it seems pretty excessive. The problem is, the company now has to pay out this large amount to drivers, and they can't increase what they charge consumers to cover the extra cost. UPS had to scale back their business with Amazon because the high volume business, well, it just wasn't profitable at those levels. This has led to the elimination of 48,000 operational positions in 2025 and the shutdown of 90 billions that also put other people out of work. To stay in business and remain profitable, they're cutting an additional 30,000 jobs in 2026, and they had to shut down another 24 buildings in the first 6 months of this year. I really wish the unions would work with management and dig into the financial statements to understand profits, sales, and understand the competition of what's going on. Sometimes the added burden of higher pay can cause a business to reduce the workforce, and sometimes, if it is excessive, it could cause a company to eventually go out of business. And when that happens, well, really no one wins then. Employees lose, management loses, shareholders lose. It's a no-win situation. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.